Where does VIM/macvim keep swap files for unsaved/unnamed buffers? Where does VIM/macvim keep swap files for unsaved/unnamed buffers? If it does so at all. Background. Throughout a semi-intense seminar I was taking notes in an unnamed/unsaved macvim buffer when the MacBook ran out of juice and powered down out of nowhere. It did not sleep/hibernate as it usually would. Question: would anyone know if there is any chance that the unsaved work may have been saved to a swap.swp file or the like, that could be recovered? System details. In particular, this happened using macvim on a Mac OS X 10.5.8, but possible recovery hints for other versions are of interest too. I have not restarted macvim yet, in case doing so will initiate a cleanup process.
Start up VIM and try. Column recover and LT, file name and GT. If the file never had a name, then simply column recover. That's your best bet. For more about swap files and recovery, see column help user _11. About the swap files, typically they're saved in the same directory as the file being edited, but with a added the beginning to make it hidden and swp at the end, but it's possible to move them elsewhere by something like column set directory equals ~vimswap or similar. See column help swap for all the details. A VIM swap file is not the same as the edited buffer, however, so be sure to read up there on what can be done for recovery. Edit, comments answering the question. It seems to look in your current working directory, /tmp/var/tmp and /tmp for swap files, and in my case I always have a current working directory set and that's where it got saved. Solmenson October 5th 10 at 1:42. Also, be sure to check out the vim or command line arg. This will print out all the swap files found and where they are. In action it will have a lot of extra information such as date/modified/username/ etc. --neg_ev October 5th 10 at 13:49.
I work on Windows 10 and column recover, didn't find a swap file. VIM listed the swap file from the last edit session, also never saved, named_.swp. Recovering was possible with column recover _.
The answer is all over the place. The trick is finding the right one. Some are in your /tmp directory, but lots of them are somewhere under your home directory. There may be more efficient ways to do this, but the following worked for me when I lost an unnamed file on MacBook. In home directory, search for backup files, takes a few seconds, and can probably be made smarter. Open file. Remove file names that aren't for backups of unnamed files. Now I see a list of the locations of unnamed backup files. In each of those directories I run the following until I find the files from today. I cd into the right directory and open vim and type :recover and select the correct backup.
I was able to recover my file on a Win 10 box as follows. Go to the directory you last opened VIM. For me, that was via the VIM shortcut on the Win 10 taskbar. Right-click on the VIM icon, right-click again on the VIM shortcut and select Properties. A dialog will pop up. The value in the Start in field on that dialog is where I effectively last opened Vim. For me, that value was %homedrive, %homepath%. Go to a DOS command console and invoke the commands echo %homedrive% and echo %homepath% to determine where that is. Examine the last modified dates of all the _.s files in that directory. Find the file with the last modified date that matches when you last opened the file. Open Vim. Type _recover _filename_, where filename is the file you found in the prior instruction.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.